Okay guys, now sorry we didn't get to video much yesterday, but today's going to be even better because tonight we're going to go to the bonfire displays and there's going to be a nice fair around there. And a bonfire is where they set off fireworks and there'll be nice fun activities to do around us. So here's our tickets guys. Here they are. And you can see that because there's a fair near it, we've got this ticket for family wide because there's 4 of us. Yeah, there's loads of details on there, guys. So yes. So I see you when we're at the bonfire display and out and out. We're going into the bonfire. Off we go to the bonfire. It's a long line. It's actually not that long.
Yeah.
Mom, where'd you going?
Where you going?
Mom, where you going? Where you going? That's cash.
Cash only.
Got
We
tickets.
pay up.
There you are. Nah, yeah, she got my ticket, that girl over there. She's just got a ticket.
Oh, okay.
Natalie, I need your ticket to scan. You need to scan it there. Calm down because you don't know what you're doing.
I can pass this cash only.
Okay,
4,
that's
2.
good to go.
Okay. What's wrong with you? Relax, calm down, you're in the wrong place.
Walking down to the bonfire. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at the fair, Renee.
Exactly. I'm gonna button up my nails. Super cold.
Alright then, what we'll do.
I have some guy at the order. We're gonna feel when we get down onto the device and see you there.
There's thousands of people.
There's like a million people down there, guys. Can you see them? They're waiting for the fireworks to start. Let's walk down here because there's going to be lots of things to do. So guys, we'll see you on our first activity. Bye. Bye. Remember the 5th of November. Because it's Poppy's Day.
Going up for cars.
Look really fast.
then they light the bonfire right after.
What's a bonfire then? What's a bonfire then?
Let me see Jaden's face.
A big massive one.
You see the fireworks?
So now I'm gonna set all of these off.
Probably got it in, I don't know.
Are they on time? Whoa.
Yeah, timer.
That's basically just balls of fire in the air. Whoa, they're not cool. That's cool. Okay, the fire up.
Yeah, put it on. Red.
Then, give us then. Oh,
Did your brother like it? Did your brother like it?
do you like it, JJ? Yeah. Sitting at our chair like a cool boy. Baba, no. Look at the bird. It's flying away, but it's really scared. I bet most like animals probably hate this, so they're probably not. That's why there's probably not much like birds and stuff around here. So I
don't-
wouldn't expect there to be birds, to just chicks and stuff
Probably all
around
have
here.
it somewhere.
Yeah, because they would have liked the chicks here, but could the fireworks not be here? Wow, there's all randomly popping now.
Red.
Whoa, let's stop. Let's walk more closer. Okay, let's see. Wow. So pretty. They're like lighting everywhere. Make sure you watch my last video when I done a prank on my mum and she wasn't impressed at all at the end. So
Oh,
make
that-
sure you check that out.
Or the Halloween one.
And make sure you smash that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and turn the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And comment down below what you've done.
Come on, watch the rest of the fireworks.
It really is pretty. Whoa! I wonder how much fireworks they put on.
Huh?
I wonder how much fireworks they put on. Try count to accidentally. I love you so much, Knoxford, that I'm even going to come next year. So make sure you come along too, so you might be able to see me there. So pretty and colourful. Whoa. I don't want to go too close though, because it could hurt my ears, part of my ears. Look around, up there now. Guys, look behind us. Look behind us, Daddy. There's a bunch of people.
Oh my god.
There's so much. Jaden, do you like it? Yeah, there's so much in there. That's orange ones. They're fantastic.
That was your torch.
What is that red? How long are they on for?
That was it.
The whole thing.
No.
Gonna do a cartwheel. It's really hard. It's really hard because I got. Walk over. I'm gonna do a walk over. story of Guy Fawkes. That's why we say it's celebrated. Because Guy Fawkes tried to set up the House of Parliament. So you celebrate each day for that. If you've never heard of it, you can look on Google, type in what's it called, Bonfire Night, and it might come up. Or Guy Fawkes. Sit down, but don't sit down. Tony's real bad.
Watch his legs, man.
I'm having to sit down next to my brother. He's all snuggled up in his pram, but it's really late and cold. Maybe should have bought a chair.
Huh?
Should have bought a chair like we done when we were at the meet and greet. Ah. Hey, Jaden's all the vibes are empty.
Hey! Very shit. You're on the right. Jump down. No, not so stupid. Just slide it out. Ready?
And that's what I want to track on like this. I'm gonna go on that one.
Is that good?
Yeah. Wait. Why didn't like I wanna Why?
Renee!
I wanna go on that one. It's cold. Are you done yet? It's cold. It's cold. The trampoline's cold.
Chick's scared. Flip over. Flip.
I didn't mean
Yeah, I got a good vibe. I'm trying to be big with no hook, man. Thank you, man. Thank you guys for sticking around.
Here's the bonfire. We're gonna move up again.
Oh, stop calling her because she's asked you to do it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. That's good.
Go in it.
Mommy, come on.
Ren.
What is it underneath? What?
Wood, yeah.
How did you set it on?
I don't know. Just like it, Ren. What are you asking questions like that for? We're heading off home then.
Okay, guys. Now we're going to